A lot of houses built in the 1980s have both a lower and upper deck. As you can see, this lower deck really doesn't have a purpose and we never utilize it. So I'm going to show the before and after and how I took down the deck to give you some ideas on what you can do. Thanks for watching. So the first step is safety. I built this temporary railing system to make sure when my daughter's playing that she doesn't fall off the side. So I basically took a 2x4 across the top and the bottom and put 1x3 slabs and tied it into the 4x4 post. One of the hardest parts of a project like this is getting started. Here's the first 6 boards that I took off, and it took a little bit to learn how to use the crowbar, to use the leverage, and pop off the deck boards. But once we got started, it came off pretty easy. Removing the deck boards took an entire day, and I wanted to show this picture to show what you can expect what's underneath your deck. As you can see here, I have bottles from the 1980s and all sorts of cut off pieces of wood. But don't get discouraged. When everything's up, it's pretty easy cleaning up. It's almost like cleaning up a big bedroom, but it's a mess. Next step is removing the stringers. Not too bad, it just takes a little effort with a crowbar and sledgehammer. But when you get started, just beat the heck out of it until it comes apart. Up until this point, it took me about 2 days to take off the deck boards. But then it came to a grinding halt when I had to take out these 4x4 posts. I used this 2x6 along with a leverage point to pop them out, but I had to do a lot of digging and it was a struggle. It took me around 9 hours to do it, but I was glad when it was done. The next morning I got 2 yards of dirt, which is 20 wheelbarrows worth of soil. I spread it evenly across the area where we removed the deck, and it soaked up a lot of the moisture that was in the mud, and it also gave me a really good foundation where I could put the grass seed. So this is where I'm at right now. I'll be adding another video when it's complete, but anybody can do this, and it's really simple, and it took 3.5 days. Thanks for watching.